When it comes to architectural design in Chandigarh, SCON Design India PVT LTD is a name that stands out from the rest. As one of the leading architectural design firms in the region, they have gained a reputation for their innovative and unique designs that blend seamlessly with the surrounding environment. With a team of highly skilled and experienced architectural designers, SCON Design India PVT Ltd is able to create stunning and functional spaces that meet the needs and desires of their clients. One of the key strengths of SCON Design India PVT Ltd is their ability to understand the specific requirements of each project. They take the time to listen to their clients' vision and goals, and then work closely with them to develop a design that exceeds expectations. Whether it is designing a residential property, commercial building, or public space, the team at SCON Design India PVT Ltd has the expertise and creativity to bring any concept to life. In addition to their exceptional design skills, SCON Design India PVT Ltd also prides itself on its commitment to sustainability and environmentally friendly practices. They believe that architecture should not only be aesthetically pleasing, but also responsible and sustainable. This philosophy is reflected in their designs, which often incorporate energy-efficient features and sustainable materials. SCON Design India PVT Ltd has been involved in numerous successful projects throughout Chandigarh and beyond. Their portfolio includes residential complexes, office buildings, educational institutions, and hospitality establishments. No matter the scale or complexity of the project, SCON Design India PVT Ltd approaches each undertaking with the same level of dedication and professionalism. In conclusion, if you are in search of top-notch architectural designers in Chandigarh, look no further than SCON Design India PVT Ltd. With their expertise, creativity, and commitment to sustainability, they are well equipped to handle any architectural design project and deliver exceptional results. Experience innovative architectural designs in Chandigarh by SCON Design India PVT Ltd. We create stunning and functional spaces tailored to your needs.